Use this video in conjunction with the instruction pamphlet. The first thing we're going to look at is how to collect fuel wood.
With each Tawi, you get a cotton tote bag. Use it to collect fuel sticks from around the garden or when you go for a walk. A bundle of wood like this will cook a meal for 4. One caveat, the wood must be completely dry.
The wood must also be well seasoned. If it snaps easily, then it is. If it bends, then it isn't. If you can, store your wood in a dry place, alongside a radiator in the winter, or on top of your water heater if you've got one. Try and find a sheltered spot to site your barbecue, but if you can't, face the entrance to the firebox into the wind. To light your Tawi, the first thing you want to do is place a layer of sticks in the wood tray. Use some of your larger sticks, as these tend to burn slightly slower than the small ones. Next, place the charcoal scraper halfway along the wood tray. Place small dry sticks on top of the scraper with their ends protruding into the firebox. Place a firelighter under the sticks. This is what your setup should look like in cross-section. Note that the sticks on the scraper are stacked on top of, not beyond, the first layer of sticks. Light the firelighter. You can use paper if you want to, you just have to keep feeding it in until the sticks have caught. Gently blow on the flames until convection takes over and draws the fire up the flue. This should happen quite quickly. You should soon get a fairly clean burning flame. When the stick pile is burning well, carefully remove the scraper while supporting the wood. Now fill the tray right up to the top with more small dry sticks. Don't place the ends of the sticks beyond the burn line. When the wood tray is full to the top, push the whole stack evenly into the firebox by no more than 10 centimeters. Then place the firewall behind the stack. If you want to keep your barbecue burning, extend the stack with more sticks. Very occasionally the fire line burns unevenly along the stack. Here, for instance, it's burning along the bottom slightly more than along the top. So what I'm going to do is just push the bottom sticks in to even the fire line up. It's also burning along the right hand side a little bit more than the left. So again, I'm going to push the right hand side in a bit to even it up. When you've finished your barbecue, you need to scrape out the contents of the firebox into a bucket of water. Use the glove and scraper that came with your stove.
And here is what this project's all about. You've made solid carbon instead of carbon dioxide.